Good afternoon, everyone. Let's see if the fish are hungry. Oh, we can hear them. Yep, they're hungry. I've been waiting until later in the afternoon to feed them so that it warms up. But my little piranha are definitely happy. Not that they're piranha, they're actually jade perch. Yes. Happy, hungry little jades. I never see them over there. See, this is why I want to get a GoPro. And I've got a link in the description to a GoFundMe page so that I can save some money up to get a GoPro. Because it is so hard to see them. Ooh, some decent sized fish in there. Very exciting. No, I don't believe marigolds are an edible flower, and you've asked me that before. He loves to eat calendula flowers. Now, it's been a while since I've done an update on the aquaponics, and I just ripped out that entire section of Okinawa spinach and gave it to the goats because Mary's just around the other side of a tank and I didn't want her trying to climb up on the aquaponics. But Basil has gotten taller. Yes, everything's doing really well. I really do need to harvest some of that comfrey. Well, I need to take the comfrey out of there and plant it up in other spots. It really is a bit of a jungle in here, really. See, they're the marigolds that Matthew was wanting to know if they're edible. I don't think marigolds are edible. Let me know in the comments. Are marigolds edible? Let's see. I am still very puzzled as to why this mulberry is flowering in autumn. Very, very strange, but it's all good. Pussycat squirreling in between my feet. Not an unusual behaviour, fairly normal for this little pussycat. This is our manzo. Anyway, so yes, let's see. And I did put a heap of seeds in here the other day, but they really don't seem to have germinated, which is unfortunate. Usually I have seeds germinate nicely. I did put one of the purple basil cuttings in here, so I'm hoping it's going to grow. So that would be really nice, although it's coming into the cooler months, so I'm not expecting the basil to do fantastically. Although I've still got some popping up and doing things. It's the lettuce that I took half the leaves off the other day when I did my final weigh in for shed wars. Spinach is doing well. I haven't eaten any of it. There's a lot that I need to do. There's a very grumpy goat over there. I'm not sure what she's grumpy about. So yes, marigolds are just doing phenomenally. I'm sure they're attracting lots and lots of pollinators. So it looks like all the beds are actually dumping at the moment, which does create a problem for the main sump, which when I looked in here before, it looks quite low, so I'm going to have to put some water in there. But yes, the basil is still going nuts. I need to harvest some more of that at some point. Celery is just jumping out of the aquaponics. It's doing fantastically. Mind you, the weeds are doing fantastically as well. I got to do something about this. But yeah, chard is doing great. I wish I could eat more of this at the moment. It's really a bit frustrating growing a heap of stuff and I can't eat it. So I need to plan what I'm going to be putting in here for my winter crops. And all the plants that seeds that I did put in here were ones that I could eat, but none of them have germinated. So anyway, might have to just pot some up in the pots and see if I can get them to grow that way. This cucumber is not doing well at all. It's just being hammered by the aphids, which isn't a huge drama. It just means it's not producing cucumbers. But anyway, that's the aquaponics update for today. I hope you're all going well and things are growing nicely for you, and I look forward to hearing how you're going. Remember to like and subscribe. Have a great day. Bless you.